So good morning everyone. So we have this lovely Rebecca for sale today. It's all raised walls for privacy. I'm going to take you inside. We are on an urbanisation called Cambusel. So just here, as you can see, there is a lovely pool and a lovely area to sit down as well. The other end, there is access to an underbuilt. And just here, it's again a nice area just to lounge in. You've also got 3 steps up to this terrace. And you could have a nice table and chairs out here, whatever you wanted. Okay, so you've got quite a lot of outside space here. So let me take you inside into the main property. As you can see, there's reccas and blackout blinds on the windows, insect screens, and you have an overhead light. So I've just come inside this lovely home. This is our happy place. So if I pan around this way, just show you the length of the living room. You've got 2 ceiling lights and fans, and you have aircon. Nice big lounge, and off the lounge of course is your dining area. But we're going through this archway first, and through the archway you have a bedroom. This is being used as the master at the moment. You have a ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon in here. You've got insect screens, blackout blinds, and reccas on the window. Okay, got your integrated wardrobe as well. So just in here is your bathroom. You've got a vanity unit, WC, you've got your bidet just there, your bath with a shower attachment. Okay, and just above here you have your heater. It's all fully tiled from ceiling to floor. So just across here is another bedroom. It's got 2 single beds in. We'll take a double bed. You have got aircon, and you've got your ceiling light and fan above. Okay, just going to pan around here for a minute. And as you can see, you've got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. So back through the living room into the dining area. Lovely dining area here with beautiful chandelier above. And off the dining area, you have your kitchen. Top and base units. You've got integrated hob and oven. Got your washing machine and your fridge, freezer, and your microwave. Okay. Now we're going out the back, and I'm going to show you the outside courtyard. So this is another terrace, really, and it's quite a very large one. You have a lovely sail there over the barbecue. You could put some dining table and chairs here and have outside dining. Okay, so I'm going to take you upstairs now to the rooftop solarium and have a look up there. See you upstairs, guys. So upstairs you have got a rooftop solarium. This is a lovely place to just enjoy a nice meal or just enjoy the sunshine. So it's a nice big space for you. And some people put a hot tub up here, although you don't need it because you've got a pool with this property. So let's go back down. So I'm back downstairs again, and at the back door you have an overhead light. So if you're interested in this property, guys, don't forget info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Put the reference number of the video, where you'll find that in the title, and don't forget to leave your contact details. So until the next time, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Somebody out there would love this property.